The Google Pixel 7 is the latest and most advanced phone in the market. It has a sleek, attractive design and is packed with amazing features. It also has a really high price tag. So it's important to take good care of your Pixel 7 and protect it from damage. A new phone is a big investment. You want to make sure that your data and phone are safe from theft, damage, and water. The best way to do this is by investing in a new case for your Google Pixel 7 phone. The best way to protect your Google Pixel 7 phone is with a new case. This will keep it safe from water damage, thieves, and other accidents that might happen during the day. There are many reasons why you might want to protect your new Google Pixel 7 phone with a new case. The phone costs so much that you don't want to risk it getting damaged. You're worried about dropping your phone because the screen is big. You're worried about scratches on the back of the phone from keys or coins in your pocket. So today's video I will show you 5 best case for your Google Pixel 7 you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Caseology. The Caseology Parallax Military Grade Drop Tested design for Google Pixel 7 case is a smartly designed case that provides the ultimate protection for your Pixel 7. Its exterior is composed of a tough, scratch-resistant polymer, and the interior is lined with silicone to cushion your device from shocks and bumps. And with its slim profile and military-grade drop-tested design, this case will keep your Google Pixel 7 safe without adding bulk. The case has a slim and sleek profile with an elevated lip to protect your screen from scratching on surfaces. It also has a polycarbonate shell with a glossy finish and dotted texture. Get this phone case at the best price. Stylish two-tone colors for women and men designed to complement with Pixel 7 case. 3D Hexa-Cube design offers enhanced ergonomics as well as built-in textured TPU grip on both sides. Number 4. Tech 21. No one wants to worry about their phone breaking, especially not while they're on the go. That's why we created our phone case to be ultra protective, ensuring that it can withstand 12-foot drops, making it the most durable phone case on the market. The Tech 21 Google Pixel 7 Evo Clear phone case keeps your phone safe and looking sleek with its lightweight and transparent design. Made with advanced UV-resistant materials that stop the case yellowing or discoloring throughout the lifetime of the device. An innovative formula is built into the case to keep it constantly clean. Raised levels of protection around the camera lens means you'll always be able to capture the perfect photo. A self-healing formula helps to avoid all kinds of everyday scuffs and scratches. This Tech 21 Evo Clear case is perfect for those who are clumsy or just love an adventure. Number 3. Defender Series. Built for adventure, our rugged Defender Series can take what life throws at it. Drop it from 5.9 feet, spill on it, or send it across the room. Defender Series has you covered. The Defender Series offers rugged protection from drops, bumps, and shocks. It has a 3-layer defense system that prevents damage from drops and bumps by absorbing them with the innermost rubber layer. It is also waterproof for those accidental spills or kitchen mishaps. With a screen protector included in the package, this case will keep your phone safe from scratches as well. Made of 50% recycled plastic, the screenless design provides flawless touch response and included holster works as a belt clip and a hands-free kickstand. Tested to survive 4x as many drops as military standard. Multi-layer defense from the solid inner shell and resilient outer slipcover with port covers that block dirt, dust, and lint from getting into jacks and ports. Number 2. NanoPop. Thin and lightweight, the case is equipped with a dual-layer construction made of shock-absorbent silicone that can withstand accidental drops and falls. The outer layer is ultra-clear to show off the original look of your phone, while the inner layer provides added protection against scratches. This military-grade case is precisely engineered to offer a perfect fit and easy installation while also raising the lip above the screen to ensure your Google Pixel 7 stays safe from scratches when it's face down. A sleek, lightweight, and durable case that offers a substantial amount of protection. Military-grade drop-tested, which means it can withstand up to 10-foot drops. Bold, contrasting two-tone colors and camera ring design creates a sporty and playful look. Offers a snug fit with slim profile and raised ring-around camera for additional protection. Number 1. Symmetry Clear. The Symmetry Clear for the Google Pixel 7 is a slim protective case made from clear polycarbonate and features a sleek and stylish design. It provides reliable protection from bumps, shocks, and scratches. It's a clear case with a built-in kickstand. It's a thin, protective case with a built-in stand. It offers military-grade protection while still looking sleek on your phone. It features easy snap-on installation and it's available right now. Sleek, clear, and tough. The Symmetry Clear series is made up of 2 parts, a slim, protective case and a clear, touch-sensitive holster. Unsnap the case from the holster when you're done using it. And snap it back on for instant protection that's always ready. Thin profile slips easily into tight pockets, the one-piece design pops on and off in a flash and durable protection shields against drops, bumps, and fumbles.